Today I am going to make Kochu Saak, which is very authentic Bengali recipe. But before we start, this is Jayasri Kadai Katha new English channel, and we'll be cutting this Kochu Saak or the Kochu stem, and we have not taken the leaf, so we'll be cutting the stem into one by two so that it will be easy to handle, and we'll remove the string in this manner. So like how we do for the drumstick, in the similar manner we'll remove the string and we'll cut the kochu stem into chunks like this big size, and you have to wash it nicely so that calcium oxalate washes away. That is the only chemical in this particular food which gives itching at the back of the throat. So wash it nicely, and we'll be putting it in a induction cookware base so that it can stay on the induction cooktop. I've soaked the chana dal black gram for 12 hours overnight, and we have put it for boiling with little water, a little more salt, 2 spoon, like it's almost 7 gram of salt. So after boiling for 5 minutes, this is the structure. You will cook for some more time, and in a very low power, that is 200 in the induction. In the stone grinder, we'll paste off this ginger, and eventually we'll make paste of this green chili, which is having red chili also, which is raw, to a fine paste, and we'll use this for making this kochu saak, which is kochu green, kochu stem. And this boiling of the kochu saak is completed. We have drained it in a colander. In the meantime, I put little nigella seed in the mustard oil, little ginger and green chili, turmeric, coriander powder, cumin powder, and we'll stir it. And we'll put the boiled kochu stem and make it very dry. We'll not keep more water in it, because the more the watery, it will not be tasting more good. So in this manner we'll cook it till it dries up, and in the end we'll add ghee. Now I have added little salt because it is already salt has been poured in that boiling procedure. So this is the way we'll be doing. We have to stir it, and in this particular recipe the cutting will only take more time, and this drying up will also take time. And now this is almost done. I've added the ghee and will remove it. So today's lunch, we have egg curry, this kochu saak, rice, and lemon and green chili. So this is for the lunch, authentic Bengali food for the lunch. And we'll see you in the next video. Before that, I'll request you to please subscribe my channel, so that, and press the bell icon, so that whenever I put the video, you receive my video in the very beginning of my release. Thank you. Bye bye for now.